all-wheel drive. It's a mid-drive with front hub motor.
This is the mounting of the front wheel. So you're going to want the cable to be facing up. So when you put the inner washer with the tab down, and then you'll have your outer washer, and then the nut. The fork will be in between there. You may need the slightest outward pressure on the fork to get it to have enough width in between for the axle to fit. And when you're attaching the wires, the big thing is you're going to look for the two arrows. There's an arrow on this, and then there's an arrow on this end. Line up those two arrows, tighten everything up, and then use the cable guides to secure the cable to the fork.